Elise asked, what should people be auditing on their own devices right now to possibly limit passive AI data collection? Is that even possible? And maybe you can explain if you know how to do it, maybe at a basic level.
Yeah, that's a great question. Depends what operating system you're on. So the computer I'm currently using is a Mac. I use it because Adobe is part of my everyday tooling. I am a video editor by profession, and so I use the Adobe suite. Adobe is total spyware. It's insane how much access it asks for and how many servers it tries to connect to. The reason I know this is because I use Little Snitch. So Little Snitch is like a reverse firewall. Generally, firewalls will stop like incoming traffic. Little Snitch is there to basically notify you of any outgoing traffic. What programs on my computer are trying to ping random servers? Where are they trying to ping? What sites are these used for? Can we tell anything about the IP addresses? So Little Snitch will basically, if you have it on a mode that sends you alerts in real time, it will send you the IP address, the program that is trying to link to it. It will show you a map of where it estimates that IP address is located, and it will tell you something about the program that is like requesting this. It's so jargony. I get these things, and half the time I don't even know whether to accept the connection or not. Like, if I deny it, is my computer going to break? If I accept it, have I just let China, monitor my communications? So I found that actually LLMs are an amazing use case for this. I screenshot that pop up, send it to the LLM. And I've told the LLM I'm a privacy preserving person. If this isn't going to break my machine, tell me that I can, turn it off. And so the LLM will say, oh, well, this is to this advertising network. They're doing this, because they're sharing data with this. If it absolutely will not break your computer, you can deny that request. So that's one of the tools that I use. I'm actually working on something to try to automate that process so I don't have to screenshot everything. I'm working on an integration so that's an automatic process. It'll just explain to me what these pop-ups are. But that's one example of how you can monitor the telemetry of your machine. By having one of these reverse firewalls monitor outbound traffic and like tell you, okay, well, which system process is doing that, which application process is trying to make that connection, where are they trying to make it, what do we know about the IP address? This is all stuff that could be instantly queried now that we have AI, and it's a great use case for trying to patch some of that outbound telemetry going on machines.